Hello friends, so, is your battery draining too quickly? Are you getting warning lights on your dashboard? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0516, this means there's an issue with the battery temperature sensor circuit, specifically a low input. In this video I'll explain what P0516 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. Alright, so what is P0516? The P0516 code stands for Battery Temperature Sensor Circuit Low Input. This basically means the engine control module, or ECM, is receiving a voltage signal that's lower than expected from the battery temperature sensor. Since the sensor helps the ECM regulate charging voltage based on battery temperature, a faulty reading can cause overcharging or undercharging issues. Now let's talk about some common symptoms of P0516. You might notice the check engine light is on, the battery warning light shows up on your dashboard, your car struggles to start, you see fluctuating battery voltage, or you experience an overcharging or undercharging battery. If you notice these symptoms, let's find the faulty sensor. So where can you find these components? To diagnose P0516, check these key parts. First, the battery temperature sensor, which is typically inside the battery tray or attached right to the battery casing. Next, take a look at the battery terminals and wiring, which are connected to the battery's positive and negative terminals. Don't forget the alternator and voltage regulator, usually mounted on the engine near the serpentine belt. And finally, the engine control module, or ECM, which is usually under the hood or inside the dashboard area. Oh, and here's a quick tip: a corroded battery terminal can also trigger P0516. Now let's dive into some common causes of this code. 1. A faulty battery temperature sensor that sends incorrect voltage readings. 2. Loose or corroded battery connections which can disrupt sensor signals. 3. Damaged sensor wiring like short circuits or frayed wires can cause low voltage issues. 4. A defective alternator or voltage regulator which can lead to overcharging or undercharging and trigger this error. And 5, though it's pretty rare, an ECM malfunction where the ECM fails to process battery temperature data correctly. Alright, so how do you fix a P0516 code? Well, first you want to use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0516 code. Next, inspect the battery temperature sensor. If it's faulty, just go ahead and replace it. Then check your battery terminals. Clean off any corrosion and make sure all the connections are nice and tight. After that, test the alternator and voltage regulator. The voltage should be between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Also, don't forget to inspect the sensor wiring and fuses. Repair any broken wires or replace any blown fuses you find. Finally, reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue comes back. So, the P0516 code is mainly caused by a faulty battery temperature sensor, a bad alternator, or some wiring issues. Fixing it will help ensure proper battery charging and prevent those annoying electrical failures. If you want more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next: P0276 for cylinder 6 contribution or balance fault, and P0277 for cylinder 7 contribution or balance fault. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.